What's up, y'all? Back with another video, man. As y'all can see, I look rough. It's like I don't have a watch on. It's 1 o'clock, and I just decided to do this little video or whatever. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to get curly hair. As you can see, this is just, I just look terrible. So first things first, you wanna make sure you have hair before you do this, which is kind of a no-brainer. But anyways, first things first, man. So the routine, my personal routine, I just start out by brushing my sides and the front, which I just left the barber yesterday. So, and some of the hairs be coming down from up top to, so you gotta fix that. I'll show y'all. And if y'all wonder what I'm looking at myself. I got my phone right here. So I don't get the front cut too low, but just low enough. And I have my barber kind of not go too high with the taper or fade or whatever. So as you can see, if you can't see that, I'm trying to have my light. My light might be in my shot, but y'all be alright. But look though, man, take the hair out, man. As you can see, and my hair got longer. I know I already got this video on my channel, kinda, but my hair got longer, so I decided to do it again. So y'all, length check. It's a little too much. But yeah, man, it's underneath my chin now. And what you wanna do, man, is I don't have my spray bottle, and usually I do this in the shower. So I'm gonna have to use a sink or something because I don't have my spray bottle. So what I'm gonna attempt to do, y'all, is I'm gonna just wet it. You don't want to like have it too wet, but just damp. See what I'm saying? So really, you don't have to dip your hair in the water. You kind of just dip your hand in the water, then put it on, put it on your hair. Because we're finna use this magical product, and it's the best product and the only product that I use. Try not to make a mess here. So I'm gonna get on the ends. Let me take my AirPods out because this is so you want to shake. As you can see, it's starting to hang down a lot more. And that's really, you don't really need too much water. I mean, it's down. So I put a little bit more just for the road, but you feel me? You don't need that much. Make sure you get the back, because what I be noticing, and I guess you could like section it off, but that's doing a little too much. But what was I gonna say? Oh, what I've been noticing, like my hair looks like different in the back than the front sometimes when I put this product in. So yeah. So as you can see, man, it's just down. It's just a little down, not too wet. All right, man. So the secret magical weapon, boom. Okay, let me make sure it's the front. So hopefully that's focused on that. I don't know if people be doing that. If that helps. But yeah. This is it. So pomegranate and honey collection is a prime plus defined styling system. Okay. Formulated for thick, curly type 4 hair. Now I don't know what type of hair I have. I just have hair. So anyways, however, perfect for any curl pattern. So this is a pomegranate and honey. It smells great. It is a coil scoping custard. If you couldn't see that, I don't know if y'all could or not, but yeah. I might do a different video on how to grow my hair, because I know a lot of people comment and be like DMing me asking me how I grow it. So I might do that in like a separate video. It'll probably be like just tips and tricks and whatever. So, but as you can see, I'm gonna try not to spill this. It's like a jello. But anyways, what I like to do is section my hair off. I don't have this in the shower though, but for y'all, I'm gonna do it. So section it off, probably half and half. Yes, that's straight, I guess. So you just have it like that. And it's a cool little style too. I might do another video on different hairstyles I wear, but that's just telling y'all too much. Anyways, so I say, yeah, I got a lot of hair falling out, y'all, but it's supposed to fall out. So you get that, rub it in, down from the sides. Now, the more you put, obviously, the more, you know, and the more water you put, the more it's curly it's gonna be and stuff. And you just want to just, you know, work it in there. I don't even know if I can really see that well. Obviously, I didn't put that much in it, but y'all can put more or put more water. All my hair needs is water, and it'll curl up really good. So I was just blessed with, you know, pretty good and long hair over the years. Man, you just gotta take care of it, man. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm pretty much just style it how you want it. If you want it like kind of stick out more, kind of just pull it a little bit, pull it down in the back. Yeah. So this is better, I guess. I know it would work a lot better if you were to like wash your hair. So then after that, just get the front, do the same thing. You don't really got to section off the back because it might mess up if you tie it back up and stuff. So yeah, man, just get you, what's it called? A couple finger scoops or rub it in. You can section it off more if you do 4 or 3 or whatever. However you want to do it, man. You just gotta do it. Man, my hair is really long, so you shake after, and you just got a whole bunch of curls and stuff, man. Pretty much just style it how you do. And then once you go outside and stuff, it'll shrink up. Like my hair now, you can see, not even really like trying or nothing. So all the way down here, when I go outside and stuff, it'll come back up. So that's pretty much that. I'll probably like spray some more water on top or whatever. So maybe a little 360. So I just ran at a time, man, but as you can see, it's not the best curls, but you can get better results by putting more hair in at your discretion and putting more product in. So if y'all want to see the product, here it is. Yep. Give you all the little secrets. So that's it. So y'all stay up, stay strong, get ready to get left.